Okay, so Amazon got here and we have the Ultra Hushmat. So we're gonna 36 square feet on this. No prep, no heat guns, no cut fingers, no special tools, better performance. So this is going to work for insulation on the roof of the J10 as well as the cab. So the interior of the cab is going to get most of this all over the place. So I'm going to start with the roof because the roof's already been painted. Okay, this is supposed to be a peel and stick application. I think these are 12 or 18 inches long or something, I don't know, 24 inches long. So let me try and measure a little something. Apologies, I will be on camera, so pardon the way I look. So this is one of the sheets. See how long it is. And it looks like it's going to be a good fit. So for my first fiasco trying to get this on here, I'm going to try and go from the back to the front, and we'll see how bad I mess it up. So pretty easy. Let's see what we can do here. I always hate working above my head. I think the key's going to be to get a good place to start. Try to go all the way back. So far, as advertised, it pretty much goes on there. I'm sure I'll have to do a little trimming with parts of it. But yeah, it just goes on just like that. So, living in South Florida, gotta have something up here because it's 90 degrees outside, man. This thing gets hotter than it can. You can't even touch it. So this ought to help keep the cab cooler, a lot cooler. And the good thing is you can cut this stuff so it'll fit wherever you need it to fit. But right now I'm pretty psyched and pleased with the first application. Yeah. So let's see how we can get the rest of it up in there. Oh, just like that. And it fit pretty good. Okay, so this is the finished product basically. Got the Hushmat all the way around. Got it up into that nose. All the way around. Not much to look at, it's just silver on this side, but it will insulate. That's what I'm hoping to happen. Okay, starting to work on the cab a little bit on the interior. So when we left off, we put the Hushmat in. We've yanked the seats and about to prep and get all the nasty stuff out of the cab. And a lot of sanding going to be going on. We'll go from there. So like I said, this is just a peel and stick application. So we're going to start by peeling it back a little bit to get it lined up about where we want it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get it lined up here. I'm going to want it pretty close to the door. But not right on the door. And this stuff is extraordinarily sticky. So be aware as you're working with it. But it goes down fast. Pull that off so I can actually see what I'm doing. Come on, baby. Come on. Pop it around the bolt there. Pull it, make sure get it where I want it. That seat bolt's done. So that's basically how you do it. So I'm not going to show you all of the panels I put down. That's going to be kind of boring. All right, so this is the Hushmat all installed. So you remember we did this roof of the cab, and now we've done the rest of the interior of the cab. So it's supposed to reduce noise by 50% or something, maybe reduce heat by 40%. So yeah, overall, let's see how this works. Once again, no air conditioning in the thing, so anything we can do to insulate it's going to help. And we'll kind of go from there. Okay, thanks. Appreciate you guys watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Follow us along on the journey.